Today's video is going to be on this 1.5 horsepower Worthington gasoline engine. This engine was made by the Worthington Pump and Machinery Company in the late 19-teens or early 1920s. I picked this engine up at a swap meet last year and I'm hoping to get it running today. The engine is currently stuck and I'm not sure how hard it's going to be to break it loose, but we're going to give it its best shot. This engine also currently doesn't have a magneto and the governor is broken, but I have parts for both, so we should be okay. Upon the first glance, this engine appears to be in pretty nice shape other than the fact that it's stuck, so I don't think this video is going to be too hard. I already made a long video on this engine on my channel, but I wanted to try a shorter video to see how people like it. So if you like this shorter style video, please let me know and I'll start making more this way. I hope you guys enjoy. When I bought this engine, I didn't think it'd be stuck very badly. You're always worried on an engine like this that it won't come apart very well or the cylinder's pitted. Luckily with this one, it broke loose fairly easy. I just had to work at it a little bit and then it popped loose almost immediately. When I got the tank out, it wasn't the worst thing in the world. There's a few big holes in it, but it's easier to patch holes than it is to make a whole new tank, so I'm going to take what I got. I ended up bending the exhaust valve pretty bad, taking it out of the head, so I took it over to the lathe with a dial indicator and trued it up within a couple thou before I ground it so it wouldn't be inaccurate. The tank was in a little rougher shape than I thought, so I ended up replacing the entire bottom. It was still easier than making a new tank, but it wasn't great. After giving the cylinder a quick hone, I ended up taking a time lapse of the whole reassembly, so here it is. The engine ended up having a couple governor latch out problems, so I ended up stopping, taking the governor apart, grinding a few things, and putting it back together. That's gonna do it for this video. If you like this shorter video style, let me know. I'll do more like it if you guys like it. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you like the video, please give it a like. I'm going to be doing another video of this engine when I get it tuned in a little bit better, so please stay tuned, and I hope to see you next time.